So now friends, in this video tutorial we will learn about indexing in array. So how we will do indexing in an array? First of all, we will do indexing with your one dimension array. So to do indexing with one dimension array, so I just increase some cells here. First of all, we have to import our numpy. So to import, we have to write import numpy as np, and then we will start creating an array. So I will create an array. I will give it name app np dot array, and here I will create an array equal to, open bracket, and here I will create some array like 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then I will print this array. So we have an array here and we have printed it. Now if we want to do indexing in that, so how we can do that? For that, what I will write here print 0, and just first of all I will write ARR, and here I will write 0 and just left blank. So the array will start from 0 and I have given blank here, so it will print complete array. So it will start from 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now suppose I will copy this, and here I will give just 1. So it will start from 0. So in the 1 position will be your 2 number, so it will give answer as 2. And now if I will do some more indexing here, like if I will start from 1 and go till like 1 2 3 4 5, so it will go till 5. If I will write 5 and run, so it will read 5. But if I will give 6 here, so it is out of this indexing, and it will give, because 6 is also there. So it will start from 1 2 3 4 5, so it will go till 5. So if I will give 7, I think there might be some 7 and run, it is still running. And if I will start it from 0 and run it, it is running. So it will run till your 6 only. And if I will run it 7, so it will not give any answer, because in this case it will index. If you will give 0 here, then it will index till only your 5 elements, 0 to 5 only. But if I will give directly 7, so it can't index the 7 position, because there is no value there. And we can even do negative indexing, like if I will put -1, so it will start from this from our right side and start indexing, so it will give 1. And if I will give -2, so it will index it also, this is 5. So this way it will do indexing of our one dimension array.